Hello at welcome sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, kasama pa rin natin ang Sarangani Bay, Pandesal at Tinapay Series. And for today is one of their new products. Actually, to be honest, it's my first time to use this product. So I'm excited to try it out. It's the shrimp burger with pandesal kasi yun pa rin yung title ng series natin. But of course, the other version, gagamitin natin with hotdog buns naman. Medyo iba yung flavor, perfect for meryenda, and for sure, no, very appropriate sa mga swimming natin ngayon dahil summer. Gusto niyo yung outfit ko, no? Sigurado ako marami mong message sa akin. Gusto ko binili to. Binili ko siya sa Turkish Bazaar. Nung nagkaroon ng cooking class si Chef Reggie Espiras with CCA Manila, doon on the side, Turkish-Filipino buffet with cooking class / may bazaar. Check out yun na lang yung website nila sa susunod kasi doon ko siya binili. So for today, this is our shrimp burger. So you can find it in the groceries. Maybe naiisip natin parate ang fish and shrimps pag summer kasi nga napakainit. Ang hirap naman kumain ng masyadong madaming karne. Diba? So this one, the shrimp burger, isipin nyo na lang ng home economics class ninyo. Yung una nating recipe ng shrimp balls. Pretty much, that's what we are trying to mimic. So if you could see, it's ready to fry. In one pack, it has 4 pieces. So, for here, kailangan mainit yung oil, pero hindi naman yung mainit na umaapoy na siya, no? Or nagkakaroon ng sobrang smoky because you don't want it to be so black. But, we need to get a good amount of oil. Halika na, magluto na tayo. Ayan, ready na siya. So, hindi siya sobrang init na mainit, no? So, in fact, it's in my low fire. Dito, tatanggalin mo yung oil using a towel, no? Napapat-dry mo siya. Okay? For today, what I'm gonna show you, one is with pandesal, another one, I'm gonna be using hotdog bun. So, remember yung parang banh mi style natin, sort of like that, but it's shrimp. And then, another one that I look at it is, it's a convenient way, pwede rin on top of salad. Di ba parati natin sinasabi, minsan when we have salad, parang feel mo aping-api ka na lang kasi puro gulay. Here's another type of protein that you can add para naman mas exciting. Remember, we started our salad series na hindi naging series kasi wala nang nakasunod na episode. Ito na yung kasunod, okay? Patawad na. That's what we're gonna do. I will show you how to make it into a salad dressing. So ito, yung oil na ginamit ko ay canola oil, but you can use any vegetable oil. So medyo lalakasan ko lang yung apoy ko ng konti, no? The other one, it's gonna be with cheese sauce, no? Yung with pandesal. Kasi the pandesal is medyo thicker or heavier kind of bread versus the hotdog one. Ayan. Okay, there you go. Ayan. Hindi ko siya ginawang with burger bun kasi pangalan niya shrimp burger. It's so predictable. But you can. It's actually perfect for a shrimp burger. So, what I'm just showing is another way of doing a sandwich. So, hindi ko lang siya ginawa ganun kasi parang predictable naman, pangalan na nga, tas yun exact yung ginawa. So, yung gusto ko lang i-prove na point is, I guess itong buong series ng Sarangani Bay na Pandesal and Tinapay Series, kung na-notice nyo lahat ng products, pinakita namin is another way of using it or tarang extending the use or alternative uses. Kasi if you see, most of the time, it's advertised either as ulam, most of the time as ulam or fries. So, a lot of it is sandwiches or some of it are even snacks, no? So, I guess, mapapaisip ka, since your kids, ngayon, yung mga bata nasa bahay, because it's summer, mapapaisip ka anong mga healthier snacks na pwede nating ibigay sa kanila, no? So, yung hinahabol natin color is ganyan, no? So, medyo golden. So, because this is pretty much luto na naman to. Okay? It's very simple, very straightforward. Open the can. The trick really is the oil. Hindi, dapat syempre hindi malamig, hindi rin sobrang init. Okay? Nako, yung food taster natin nagmamadali na. Actually, you smell it. So, see, napakabilis. It's the perfect quick meal, di ba? Di ba parati naman when we try to create recipes, it's something na pwede natin gawin ng mabilisan. Yan. Tapos ang ganda, oh, hindi siya dumidikit. Okay. So, now we are ready So, for this, remember, kanakwento ko yung mga breads, I like freezing them. So, kanina, I put it at the lowest temperature. Tapos, yung hotdog bun ko, parang sinisteam ko, binalot ko lang siya sa foil. Okay? So, we're ready to plate it. At dito, tayo mag-gloves. Ang galing naman ni assistant. Galing! You're so valedictorian. So, here, let me just slice it. You notice na hindi talaga commercial ang aming pandesal kasi tira mo yung shape. It means hand masa siya. Minasa siya ng kamay, hindi ng machine. So, galing lang talaga ito sa kapitbahay namin. So, this one, I'm just gonna put cheese sauce. Cheese sauce. Siyempre, baka nagtataka kayo, napakalaki naman niya for this, di ba? So, what you can do is, you can just make it into half moon. It tastes very, para talagang katulad ng shrimp balls, no? So, if you have a recipe and you're craving for shrimp balls, that's what you're trying to mimic. Okay? Correct. And then, slice ko siya. Yan. And ito na yung ating meryenda para sa ating mga chikiting. Pero syempre, parati tayong meron para sa mga super bata, meron naman sa mga teenagers. That's why what we will use will be our hotdog buns. Okay? Okay. So this one, katulad ng sinabi ko, it came straight from the freezer. Babalot mo lang sa foil and then lalagay mo siya sa toaster oven. Pwede mo nang iwan. But keep this kasi in the future, you can still use it. Okay? I'm so excited to make this dish. Okay. Remember, yung dish natin doon sa burrito, remember we made some salsa? Remember? Nako, class participation to. Sumagot po kayo. Yes. Ayun, very good. Okay, so ngayon, ang kailangan is we'll just add a bit of lettuce. Yeah. So it's still the same one. Ayaw mo siyang to go to waste. And then, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. Very konti. Kasi, gagawin natin ito ng sweet chili sauce. Mix ko lang to. There. So, ito nga, para sa mga teenagers. Habang nanonood ng TV, akagaling sa activity, they can use this. Okay? So, with this, let me just add a bit of mayonnaise. Okay. So with this, tatlo, and one more. Correct. I will mix it with sweet chili sauce of your favorite brand. Okay? So just any brand. Yun. Ganyan. Iyan. With some french fries. Napakabilis po nito, no? Kasi nga, ang dali ng ating shrimp burger. I'm gonna top it with the salsa that we made a while ago. And sweet chili sauce. There you go. Lots of wansoy, lots of cucumber, lots of tomatoes. Ayan. Yan ang nagagawa ng powerful earrings eh. Nakakaisip pa talaga ng maraming sandwiches. Ayan. And there you go, our 2 shrimp burger patty by Sarangani Bay sandwiches. One for those younger ones and one are for the teenager, kahit for the adults. Perfect, especially for bonding. You can even play games together with them. And this is your bonding moment. For merienda, light lunch, or pwedeng pre-dinner. So, here is our shrimp burger with cheese sauce, mayonnaise, and cucumbers. And here's our shrimp burger patty and hot dog buns with our salsa. Cucumber, tomatoes, 1 soy, a little bit of lettuce with sweet chili sauce. Serve it with french fries or potato chips. So, napaka-simple at napakabilis na gawin because nga, convenient. Actually, it's my first time to try it. First time to use this. I'm actually very impressed. It was very easy to fry, simple, and crunchy. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this series of Kusina ni Mrs. O with Sarangani Bay, Pandesal and Tinapay Series. Hope to see you soon at sana itry niyo sa inyong mga bahay. Please do message us kung masarap or any feedback or if you wanna see more. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. Mwah!
Smell test muna tayo. May shrimp. Look. Ang tataba ng shrimp. Happy ako nito, hindi ka pa tinitikman. Sarap.
Try natin.
Ang sarap, ma'am.
Ay, ang sarap mo. Hindi mo ako magsalita.
Ang sarap po
Ang
talaga.
sarap. Ang sarap mo. Bitin to.
Bitin pa raw. Thank you po sa Sarangani Bay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you din po sa kusina ni Mrs. O.
Sarap.
Masarap yung shrimp burger. Sarap siya. Okay, okay pang merienda. Kaya gusto mag merienda mabilis, I think that shrimp burger would be great. Bye, Sarangani Bay.